Hi, we are continuing with the first lesson in first unit, and the lesson is named as The Fun They Had. Margie and Tommy were talking about a book, a real book after 1 century, and the book is about schools. Now let's continue with paragraph number 8. Here in this paragraph, Margie says that her mother told her that each teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each child, as each child is entirely different from other child, and each child has to be taught differently. Then Tommy said, yes, of course, the same thing is happening. The same thing was happening in that time schools also. Children were considered in different ways, they were treated differently, and they were being taught in different ways, but they were learning the same content. That's what Tommy says. And then somehow Tommy was getting irritated listening to the questions of Margie and said that if you don't want to read, you don't read. If you don't like, you don't read. Then Margie wanted to read it. Then she said, no, it doesn't mean that I didn't like to read it. I like reading it. And then in a sudden, Margie wanted to continue with reading and know more about funny schools which were being experienced by those children. And when they were not even half finished, Margie's mother asked her to go to school. Then Margie just looked back and said, it's not time, Mama. Then Mrs. Jones just forced her to join the school and told Tommy that it would be his time also to school. Then Margie asked whether she could continue reading the book after the school for some more time because she wanted to know more about those funny schools. Tommy was not much interested in making Margie continuing or was showing a heroic approach. Then he said, without showing much interest, maybe you could read it after some time. And he walked away showing a whistling sound with that old dusty book in his hand. And then Margie went to the classroom. It was right on, and the classroom was very next to her bedroom. The mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her, and it was on the regular times at the same time every day, and on Saturday and Sunday it was holiday for them. From Monday to Friday, the mechanical teacher gets on in the same time and will be ready for the classes, waiting for the student to come. Because Margie's mother told her that little children will learn better when they learn in the regular hours or in the same time every day. Now the screen was starting the class when it detected the student's presence there. Then the lesson said that today's arithmetical lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Then asked her to insert last day's homework in the proper slot. Now Margie took her homework and inserted it in the correct slot with a deep sigh and was thinking about those old funny schools which were being experienced by the children of her grandfather's time when he was a child. That was really funny, and she just started thinking about those good old days where children were walking together, talking, laughing and playing pranks, sitting together in the classroom, clearing their doubts, sharing homeworks, and going back home at the end of the day together playing, and all those things. And the teachers were more happy to see their faces. It was not the ugly teacher, the mechanical teacher. Now the mechanical teacher was moving, flashing on the screen with that day's lessons, continuing about the fractions of 1/2 and 1/4. But at the same time, Margie was thinking or dreaming about the funny schools which people experienced in the olden days. She was just imagining the fun and was trying to get such an experience in her life also, even though it was not possible for them. Now the lesson is over. Thank you. Bye.